Doing a little interior upgrade. Excuse the dirt and cobwebs. I've got this chassis mounted short shifter, and personally I'm not too much of a fan of this plain black on black, so we have a new gear knob from Likewise. It's the Daytona in scissor, which I also had my dad's nickname put on there. Don't know if that won't focus very well. That says the crazy old cretin. So we're going to switch that out, and to help with that we have a reducer, and I also got the scissor Hellboy dog tag. So I've currently got you on my lap, so that's me twitching the camera. So let's take this plain black gear knob off. And I hope I got the right thread pitch. I did measure it. That is a long thread. So we'll take our reducer. It came with an Allen key. So this, please fit. Looks tight. It fits. Let's get it snug there. So that's a nice little crack. Then we'll try and get this on so that needs about just over. Needs a little adjustment, but that does look really cool. That is almost 180 degrees out, but we will sort that out later, but that is very nice. One of the next upgrades, I need to take a measurement of the handbrake handle, which will be getting relocated over this side, and see what sort of size I need to make that. But that does look very nom. NRG wheel. Let's get on with that. That's a good sign. Previous I put this wheel on nice and tight. What I want to do is get the hub piece off, because I've got some wiring to install. And I could do with it more extension on that. Always leaving that in. Yeah. Because it will bite you in the face. Actually not too bad. So we have our harness for the horn and airbags. Plug that in there. So really got some extensions. Now you have that wheel off. Nice little, probably 330 mil. Right. I don't know if I can free that out easily, so let's keep it there and in.
something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe. I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Click. So, what we got here? We have this piece.
Hey kid,
Actually, with the release, coming out, so I know I bought some extras. So this is the quick release, NRG, very nice, forged, so that's to it. Good easy bottom here.
my past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time.
These resistors, I don't entirely know what to do with them.
Everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits. Don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Quick release.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
That might work.
Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. And I'm paranoid, I swear a boy's forming and they're scared.
I am rushing this. I'm not talking much about it. I can't remember which generation quick release this is. It's forged in the box. Probably not steering wheel thing. Not quite right either.
I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll
Doing a crisscross star pattern like you do with your lug nuts.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Seems like the rain stopped. Good call to do an extra task. So, I'm going to have to adjust because I need to get the box. We have an NRG box with a circle. Yep, that's fine.
call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I'll be taking shots,
I'm not
yeah,
exactly sure why there's
cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit
God, I can not feel any
crazy.
flex in that.
And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane.
Don't entirely know why they put nuts on the back of this, because I've never seen that.
Turning
I bought quite a few wheels, which are all been cheaper ones. So yeah, bad angle. And I've never had nuts on the back of the wheel. I don't know if I'm supposed to use them or not.
I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.
So, so lovely, lovely neochrome. Next one. Chuck these on, then chuck off the horn, don't I? Okay. Horn has to go on the front. I am really... I should probably just done this like that.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto. Hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss on, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Oh, should get some different hardware. Started that one. That's a train. Oh no, got my bolt. Ah! There's my socket. Here we go. Probably gonna have to take this off again in the future, which is why it's not so tight. Wait. Give it back. Click. 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 Nice one. Click. Barely feel any flex. Ready for this bit? Introducing. Look at that. I forgot about the button. Ha! Oh, beautiful. Yeah.